But the United States has charged 3 men with conspiring to support Islamic State militants in Syria and wage war against the United States. Charges against 2 Uzbeks and 1 Kazak were filed in federal court in New York Wednesday. VOA's Hoke reports.
2 men from Uzbekistan appeared before a judge in federal court in Brooklyn, New York, Wednesday. New York authorities said the hearing for the Kazakh national was held in Florida.
2 of the individuals were seeking to fly to Syria. One was arrested at the international airport, JFK International Airport, as he was getting ready to board that flight. A second individual had a later flight scheduled. He was arrested at home here in Brooklyn. A third individual who we believe helped to organize and finance the trip of the other 2 individuals was arrested in Jacksonville, Florida.
All 3 men resided in Brooklyn and were legal U.S. residents. Officials say they came to the attention of law enforcement based on statements they posted on social media.
As alleged in the filing, the idea that it was made quite plain based on their own statements that if they were not able to go, that they would seek to acquire weapons here, handguns, machine gun, and seek to attack, very specifically, police officers.
One of the 3 suspects allegedly made threats against U.S. President Barack Obama. U.S. officials say authorities take these types of threats very seriously. The FBI says radical groups and individuals use social media to connect and send their messages worldwide.
We are one of the few domestic law enforcement agencies that have that, where we can use intel and then seamlessly walk and transfer over and act operationally very quickly in the event that we see something imminent happening.
The news of the Brooklyn arrests has sparked concern in New York's sizable Uzbek community. Many fear they could become the target of unwanted attention. A defense lawyer in the case objects to some of the methods U.S. authorities use to identify radical groups and their hierarchy.
If the allegations are as stated, I think that the U.S. government needs to figure out another way to approach Muslim men who may find some attraction to radicalism.
Islamic State has attracted young men and women from many Western as well as Arab countries. An estimated 20,000 foreigners have crossed into Syria to join the group, known for grisly beheadings and other atrocities committed in the territory under its control. U.S. government officials acknowledge that Islamic State is directing a massive propaganda campaign to the United States. Zlatica, Hoke, VOA News, Washington.